Hello, episode number 9 of geometric construction. We are still on the construction of angles, and in this episode, we are constructing the angle 90 degrees. So, these are the various steps we are going to follow. Let's go through them. We are to draw a line AB and mark a point P on it. Then, with the center now being at P, you draw a semicircle to meet the line at X and Y. So with the center of your compass at X, you draw an arc using a convenient radius. Then with the center at Y, using the same radius for the X, you draw an arc to intersect the first arc at Q. Now you join the P and Q together to form 90 degrees. In this episode, you deal with two separate ways to construct angle 90. The first method is this. So let's deal with that one. So me having my ruler, drawing the line segment. I have my A and I have my B. So the line segment AB. We are to mark a point and label that point what? P. So that's my point P on it. So now with the compass point now at what? P. We are going to put our compass point at P. Then we draw a semicircle. And that semicircle should be able to touch the line segment AB at the point X. Being the first one, we can put X here. So let's put X and put Y. Now that we are done with that, this semicircle is forming an angle of 120. We've learned how to bisect an angle. So when we bisect the angle 120, that gives rise to 90 degrees. So with the same radius as we have, no, we can now change the radius. So with X, draw an arc using a convenient radius. So now we now stand at X. Then we take a convenient radius, you make an arc. Then with the same radius, stand at Y and make an arc. And that two arc should intersect at the point Q. So we have the point of intersection is there. So the last point says that we should join P and Q together to form our 90 degrees. So this is a 90 degrees if the angle we are looking for is between PQB. But if we are looking for QPA, then we put the right box here. Both are 90 degrees. So this is 90, this is 90. This is one way of construction the angle 90. Let's deal with the second aspect of making angle 90. So in this, the first thing we do is to construct our line segment AB. Good. Now we are going to indicate a point, or we just put a point here as, let's say, P. Then with our compass now at the point P, we still draw a semicircle. You can make it a semicircle from here to there. Then with the radius that we use, we stand here, we make an arc, the same radius, we stand at the mark of 60 and make the next arc. Now in drawing these two arcs, we can see that from here to here will give us the angle 60. From here to here will be 120, or from here to here is 60. So 60, 60. If you divide 60 into 2, that will give you 30. So 30 here plus 60, 90 degrees. So now we go back to the arcs that we make and take a convenient radius. You make your arc, come back to the other arc and intersect. So from here, we now join the point of intersection with our see the other line, our this thing shifted a bit because we are using slippery pin. So our pin is not directly on the point of intersection. You can see the 90 degrees is a little bit bigger than the actual 90 degrees. But the concept is we make sure we pick the intersection where the arc intersects the line AB, where the other arc intersects the semicircle, where it intersects. You look at the pin or the point of intersection and put your pin there before you make your arc, and that will give you 90 degrees. So it can be this or it can be the first one that we constructed. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.